Hello everyone, I am Prabhu Mishra, founder president of IASRM, International Association of Stemcell and Regenerative Medicine. On behalf of entire organizing committee, we are inviting you to Gym Corbett, Uttarakhand, India, 10th November to 13th November, the Masters Symposium of Cosmetic Gynecology. This is something not a conference, this is like a journey of the life. The sharing experience, sharing knowledge, sharing wisdom from all over the world, leaders in regenerative medicine, functional medicine, aesthetic medicine. If you'll see the speakers there, Dr. Redam Alinsod, Dr. Adrian Gasper, Professor Alvaira Bratila, Dr. Matt Asefanelli, Dr. Poonam Mishra, Dr. Vidya Pancholia, and many world leaders, Padma Shri Dr. Manjula Anagani. So it's loaded with quality and leading speakers around the globe, across the globe. So it will be not only the Congress, there is many social programs and holistic approach of 360 degree like anti-aging, longevity, vitality, yoga, meditation, trekking, Ayurvedic massage, like it's loaded with all which modalities you can improve the quality of life and the leadership skills. So just attend this Congress on behalf of entire organizing team, myself Prabhu Mishra, President, inviting you all and my leading organizing committee, Dr. Attila Fogarasi from Romania, he is the Joint Secretary of IASRM, Dr. Diana Mihai as a Vice President of the Society, Dr. Lavanya Kiran, Secretary General, and Dr. Manish Mahajan is Organizing Secretary of this Congress. Many new people have joined this association. Some of the big name, if I'll talk about this, like if you'll see Dr. Vidya Pancholia, Dr. Poonam Mishra, Dr. Nidhi Jha, Dr. Anna Maria Mihai. So they all are joining and join the core group of IASRM and welcoming you on behalf of all of you to this Master Symposium of Cosmetic Gynecology, 10th November to 13th November 2022. 9th November, you all are reaching to New Delhi and we will be traveling through the bus from 10th morning. Journey begins from 10th morning and 11th, 12th, 13th scientific program, and you are going to go with a blissful and lively Congress. Thank you very much, my friends.